In this video we will demonstrate how to change the humidity sensor on 20-pint GE Dehumidifier model ADEL20LYQ1. GE Dehumidifiers may not show any error code for faulty humidity sensor like other brands. Common indication of faulty humidity sensor on GE Dehumidifiers that reading gets stacked, often at 30% and won't change. In some cases, unit won't turn on at all. Keep in mind, because there is no error code being displayed, mentioned indications may not necessarily mean that your dehumidifier have faulty sensor, and the issue could be anything else, such as defective control board or leaked out refrigerant. While indications or error codes for faulty humidity sensor would not be the same on different makes of dehumidifiers, the general procedure of replacing the sensor would be very similar. To replace the sensor on this model, we will need replacement sensor, Phillips head screwdriver, cutting pliers, and optionally few zip ties. You can get humidity sensor replacement for this model and also for other brands from qxparts.com. First of all, make sure the power cord is unplugged. Remove the bucket. Remove all screws from every side. Remove back cover as it's showing on video. Keep in mind, it may take some effort to remove back cover. Remove 2 screws holding front cover under top panel assembly. Remove front cover as it's showing on video. Humidity sensor located under top panel assembly. And to get access there, we will need to remove cables from the sides of the unit and remove the top panel assembly. The top panel assembly attached by 2 plastic latches on each side. Cut any zip ties holding cables of temperature sensor and carefully remove it from the coil. Unlatch top panel assembly. Remove cables from plastic hooks on the side of dehumidifier. Remove top panel assembly as it's showing on video and place it upside down. Humidity sensor attached by 1 screw next of control panel. To unplug it from the control panel, we will need to remove 3 screws holding control panel and unplug the connector. You can get humidity sensor replacement for this model and also for other brands from qxparts.com. Attach connector of new sensor to the control panel and put back control panel with 3 small screws. Place cable of sensor to designated plastic hook and put back 1 screw to hold the sensor. Carefully place back control panel assembly to the top of dehumidifier and place all cables to designated plastic hook on the side of the unit. If you have new zip ties, secure cables together where it necessary. Secure control panel assembly as it's showing on video. Place back temperature sensor and secure cables with zip ties. Place front cover and push it on 4 corners. Remember to put back 2 screws holding front cover from inside. Put back cover and carefully push it. Put back all screws on each side. Place bucket back in. The repair is now completed and your dehumidifier should be ready for use.